Welcome, and today we're going to be going over the Generation Genius educational tool. This is mostly used for teachers, but it can be used for students as well. But this is just an idea, given that I would like to pursue a career in teaching, that it can be difficult to find different forms of presentations or criteria or work for your students, and I feel like this tool is really helpful for teachers. So if we move down here, you can see that we've got all grades for K through T2, 3 to 5, 6 to 8. So this provides like a variety of different grades you can go through. And we've got different traits, different levels of, different backgrounds of education. And given that I have a minor in geology, we're going to go into causes of seasons. So this will provide a video to display how the seasons work, given the tilt of the Earth. And this is just a 14-minute video that quickly describes it. And going beyond that, we can go into any questions that you could ask your students as well. So here we have what is the Earth's axis? And we click on it, the answer, you can see it's 23.5 degrees to its plane of orbit. So not only does it give that question for your students, but you also have the answers given to you right in front of you as well. So you can kind of create your own based off this. So this could be a good baseline, or if you're running behind or something, you want to quickly create a lesson for your students, this would really be helpful. And then questions for after video, and then we can even go into vocabulary for, obviously we want to have any words we want to define or really, test our students and figure out, how would you define latitude or the light intensity. Geology can be kind of confusing, so this is really helpful for any teachers that are looking to teach these kind of things in science. And then we have resources and stuff that we can just, download right here. So again, we can do multiple different topics here, but I definitely think that this is going to be helpful for teachers moving forward in finding that criteria for their students, either last minute or planned ahead. Thank you.